Welcome once again to IKE TECH, and thank you for choosing this video. If today is your first time watching my video, please do well to subscribe and like the video. So in today's video, I will take you through to this website. This is a company in United States, and this company is recruiting international caregivers. Okay, and the good thing about this is that your visa is going to be sponsored. So please, you just have to take your time, follow the video step by step so that you not miss any important information that I'm going to share from this company. Okay, so all what you have to do is to just take your time and follow me step by step to get full understanding of this website. When you get to this website, please take your time and read everything about this website before you apply for this job. So this is the website that we are going to use here, and as you can see, there are lots of care jobs that has been posted on this website. So all what you have to do is to just take your time, scroll through, read the requirement, the benefit, and everything about this job, and apply as many as you can. You have to apply more than 2 jobs here. Okay, you don't have to apply one, try to apply more. Maybe one of them will be successful for you. So let's say I want to apply for this job. So what I have to do is to just click on this job and it will take me to this place. So you see the profile inside, that is the profile of the job, and you see the job title. So the job is full, and then shifts and schedules, so location, and then you see requirements. So the requirement is also here. So you just have to read all the requirements about any job that you want to apply before you hit on apply now. So if you hit on apply now, it will take you to the place where you can apply for this job. So as you can see, you have to add your contact information, your name, your email address, and then you choose your country, and then you hit on continue. Then after that, you follow the steps in order to complete your application. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.